In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to A2 hosting. This process hinges on updating the name servers in your GoDaddy account with the ones from your A2 hosting account, an operation which, in simplicity, you would be able to accomplish in mere minutes. So let's get to it. Start off by logging into your A2 hosting account. Once there, follow through by navigating to either your account details or hosting information. Your goal here is to find out your specific name servers. These name servers tend to exhibit a certain format, usually something along the lines of ns1.a2hosting.com and ns2.a2hosting.com. Make sure you note these down somewhere, as you'll be requiring them in the next phase of the process. Having noted the name servers, the next step lies on the platform of your domain, which in this case is GoDaddy. So, proceed to log in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, navigate to the My Products section, and from the domains listed, select the one you want to link up with your A2 hosting account. The subsequent step involves getting into the DNS settings of your selected domain. You can achieve this by either clicking on DNS for that specific domain or simply scrolling down to the Name Servers section. What you want to do in this section is to select the option to Use My Own Name Servers, or as an alternative, you might find the call to action saying, I'll use my own name servers. Regardless of the wording, the action is one and the same. Upon invoking this action, fields will be provided in which you should enter the two name servers you noted down from your A2 hosting account. Once you've input these successfully, click Save to apply your changes. Now, it is important to note that the entire internet is not going to recognize your new name servers instantly. After saving these changes, it might take up to 24 to 48 hours for the updated name servers to propagate across the internet. Fortunately, you can monitor this process. Check back into your GoDaddy account occasionally to observe the status. Once the changes have fully propagated, which as emphasized can take a day or two, you'll find that your website is readily accessible. And voila, you have successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to A2 hosting. It's as straightforward as that. Pat yourself on the back for a job well done and give your connectivity a moment to propagate. All in good time, you will reap the benefits of a successfully integrated domain hosting solution.